In this video, I'm going to walk through how to use the sum function in Excel. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. We are going to talk about how to use the sum function in Excel. Let's say that we want to put the total of expenses in cell B7. There are at least two ways to use the sum function. We will start with the quickest way first. Start by selecting the cells you want to add or sum. Click on the AutoSum icon in the ribbon. The sum of cells B3 through B6 appears in cell B7 now. That's the quickest way to add a series of numbers. In the function box, we see equals sum B3 to B6 in cell B7. That is the AutoSum in action. Now let's look at another way to use the sum function. Click on cell B7. Next, click on the Insert Function icon. Type sum in the search box and click Go. Select sum from the list and click OK. Verify the range listed in the number 1 box and click OK. The range is now totaled and we see the sum function in the function box. That's it, we are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingasanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.